fam, it's Haley, and this is Chris, and we're back with another DCL truck from Monster Jam Showdown, guys. So, let's jump on into this video and show y'all the new truck. I think it's pretty cool. We jump into the Showdown challenges to try to get our last 1,200,000 XP to get our last truck we need to unlock, and unfortunately this new DCL wasn't able to do it for us. But yeah, let's jump on into it and check out today's video. Alrighty guys, welcome back to Monster Jam Showdown. We disregard the background noise. We're gonna go ahead and look at this new truck that just dropped. Megabyte. Let's go ahead and open it up. Megabyte. It's a new bundle. Go to the store. Place our order. New downloadable content available. Please return to the downloadable content to reactivate it. Scroll A to D to see the content. Oh, look at the fire! That's crazy. Okay, you guys. Let's go back in here. See. Alright, now we have it. And there's the other one, guys. So this is the new truck. You do have to go into the shopping cart and go ahead and purchase it before it allows you to use it. As you guys just saw us do. But let's go ahead and take it into the training grounds and see how it does. Or should we use it in the showdown and see if we can get the 1 million XP that we need for our last truck? Try that with this one? Yes, everybody, he would like to let everybody know that he does have aspiration pneumonia again, and his dad did just get surgery like 2 days ago. So this house over here is in shambles. Life is kind of falling apart, but we are still going to try to push out this content for you guys. Yeah. But let's go ahead and jump into the Showdown tour. We all know Hawaii's coming up, so we're going to be here for when this drops. We're going to go ahead and try this truck in this extreme freestyle and see, because we have to get 1,200,000 XP points in order to unlock our last truck. So let's just give it a shot with this truck one time on this map, and then see what we can do. Alright, y'all. Oh. Alright. That wasn't a big enough jump to count as a jump. Alright, y'all, we made it up top. Let's see. Do some donuts. This weekend? What's happening this weekend? Oh, this weekend is the last Monster Jam Showdown, or not Showdown. This is the last Monster Jam show live for the 2024 season. So like they won't be back until December, or no, they won't be back until January 1st. So they take the holiday season off for Christmas. And yeah, so that's kind of Christopher's a little upset about it, but I did put him up to a challenge, you guys. I put him up to the challenge that he has to go through all of December not talking about Monster Jam until the next season comes out. So we're gonna see if he can do it. He did go ahead and pull off that wheelie, guys. Did you see that? We're in overtime, so let's see how long we can stay in overtime. Whoa! The more XP we get, the better off we are. Yeah, we're not making that. We're just gonna crash into the wall. Time's up. You guys, we did not get it, but dang. You guys, we've been trying. We've been trying hard to unlock our last truck. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Join the family if you have not already. And check the description box for the social medias.